In this video, we're going to show you the steps in dye penetration test. But for that, we have here our chemicals, alternative chemicals. We have here the rubbing alcohol as our cleaner, food coloring with water as a penetrant, and our cornstarch as our developer. So the first step in dye penetration, we need to clean first our workpiece using our rubbing alcohol or our cleaner. So we're going to spray, then going to clean, remove all the dust, the grease. So after putting cleaner, we can now put our penetrant. So we're going to spray it. After putting some penetrant, we're going to remove the excess penetrant. And we're going to put some developer. Putting developer makes the weld defects more visible. Para mas makita natin mabuti kung asan yung mga weld crack at mga pinholes ng ating workpiece. So after natin malagyan ng developer, pupunasan lang natin siya. And that's it. Lahat po ng nakikita nating merong cornstarch or developer, those are the pinholes. Ayan. So lahat ng mga merong cornstarch, yan po yung mga butas. Those pinholes ay po pwedeng pag-umpisahan ng kalawang kapag hindi natin sila na-check.